So the iPhone 12 is coming in on October 13 and it is starting at just $699, which is absolutely phenomenal, and that price makes it accessible to more people. And today we're going to talk about the base model of iPhone 12, its specs and leaks. So without any further ado, let's jump in. So right off the bat, it has a 5.4-inch OLED display with a notch that makes Face ID possible, and there is a 12-megapixel selfie camera in it too. And also the display is 60Hz like the other models. It's gonna have 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, and it is also going to have the latest and greatest Apple's A14 Bionic Chip, which is based on 5nm architecture and is going to be faster and efficient than the last year's A13 Bionic Chip. And the latest benchmark leak confirms that too. It is also going to have sub 6 GHz 5G and a tiny 2227 mAh battery. With that said, it is going to have glass on both the front and the back with an aluminum frame in between instead of stainless steel, and a dual camera setup with 12-megapixel main camera and 12-megapixel auto-main camera. And as you might have expected, it is going to be a tiny device and it is going to be quite compact. It would have iOS 14 with all the latest features. So yep, it is a great compact device, and the fact that it costs half the price of the iPhone 12 Pro Max makes it easy to recommend. I wish it had 120Hz display, maybe a small notch, and maybe a bigger battery too, but it is what it is. So it is a fantastic option for people who don't want to spend too much money on a phone. With that being said, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff, and as always, I would catch you guys in the next video.